Hi everybody. In this session, we are going to discuss about second maximum of three numbers. The platform name is CodeChef, right? So how we approach this problem, we will discuss. So this is the easiest problem in which we are going to use if and else statement. Decision-making statement is there. So how we started? Let's start reading the problem. The problem statement, write a program that accepts the set of three numbers and print the second maximum number amongst the three. So this problem statement is basically you are entering the three numbers and you have to print the second maximum number, right? Second highest number you have to print. And your first line of a constraint contain n, each have three separate spaces, integers. So like if you enter 3, so you can enter the three numbers. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 5, 100, 9, 999 and 500. These are the three set of numbers and you have to find the second largest among all these three, right? So this is a question. Let's try to understand this question with a PPT. Here you have three numbers, A, B and C, right? So A is 1, B is 2, right? So what you will do, you will find the maximum from one of these, right? So the maximum number is 2, right? So 2 is a maximum number. This is what the question is all about. And then you have another number called 3, right? So in this, which one is maximum? 3 is maximum, right? So the highest number is 3, but I need to find the second highest number. So what is the second highest number? 2 is the second highest number. So if I enter 1, 2, 3, so it will print me 2. This is what the question is. So what would be the logic that I have to compare? That according to this, what should be the logic? The logic is simple. If C is maximum, right, from the maximum of A and B, then it will print the maximum of A and B, right? So as you can see by this PPT, you can see if C is the highest number, if my condition says that C is the highest number, right, I will divide each and every condition in three parts. So one, if my number C is the highest. Second, if my number B is the highest. Third, if my number A is the highest, right? So if C is maximum, then I have a function called maximum in C++. In most of the languages, I have this inbuilt function called maximum. And if I put the number A and B, whatever the maximum number, it will give me the output of that specific number and it will print that specific number, right? So this is how your maximum number will be evaluated. So if the number A is maximum, it will print A. So this is a question, and how we proceed with this logic? Simply by considering A, B and C as a maximum. Instead of C, first condition will be this. Instead of B, second condition will be this. And instead of A, third condition will be this. This is how we evaluate it. So let's take another example. I have a number A as a 10, number B as a 15, and number C as a 5. So which one is maximum? Here I am considering B as a maximum, right? So here from A and C, which one is maximum? 10 is maximum, right? And if I consider this, 15 is minimum. So the second highest number is 10. It will print me the number 10. So first of all, here I need to write the input. First line contain the number of triples n. So how many numbers you want to print? So this is n. I'm asking user that how many numbers you want to print. So here 3 is a number. User will enter 3. That should be my first. So n is 3, right? And next, for each n output, one new line which contain the second maximum integer among the three. So I have 1, 2, 3, right? So the output should be 2. If I write 1, 2, 3, so the output should be 2. And that should be in a new line, right? So within 3, it should be the output. So what I have to do? I have to write a loop that for n value equals to 1 first, if I enter the maximum value 3, that I can enter 3 numbers. So it will have to ask the number A, comma, B, comma, C. Right? So 3 numbers he has to ask. Here it is also mentioned in a very prescribed way. If you read the question, you will understand that the next line which follow each have 3 space separated integers. So A, comma, B, comma, C. So that's why I've taken 3. Right? So here I'm asking user to enter the value of A, B, and C. That's it. Now, what is a question? Maximum, you need to find the second highest number. So for this logic, what I've told you, that first I will consider that A is the maximum number, right? A is the biggest among all the numbers. So if I take A as the biggest, then maximum of B comma C, right? So here A is, I'm considering if I'm entering A is the biggest number because I have to follow all the parameters. So for that, I will consider A is having the biggest number, right? So then I have to print maximum of B or C, whatever maximum from B and C it will print. So my output should be this. C out maximum of B and C. Why? Because I need to find the second highest number, right? This is what you need to do, right? This is first what my condition is, right? Why I have put end line? Because it is saying that you should have a separate integer and it should be in the new line, right? Now next condition. Let's come with else. If I consider B is maximum, this should be also the condition. B is maximum. Then what will happen? Then whatever maximum from A and C, it will print because I need to find the second highest number. This should be the logic, right? So what I will do? See out maximum of A comma C when I'm considering B as a maximum, right? Next condition is when I'm considering what? C is maximum. If C is maximum number, then what is the last output that I'm left with? I have to count A comma B. Whatever maximum from A comma B, it will print that. That's it. So this is how we will do this question, right? So that's a very simple program in which what we do is, let's test our case, right? So how to test your case? See, go to this and start. Here, n, integer n. So C in n. So here I'm entering 3, right? Please check this. The first case is 3. So here I'm entering 3, right? So here the n value is 3, right? As soon as it becomes 3, it will ask the user to enter the number A, B, C. So here what I'm entering 1, 2, 3. So if I enter 1, 2, 3, what should be my output? My output should be 2, right? So let's see how we approach. So first condition is if A is greater than max of B and C. So first I have to check B and C. So what is B? Here A is equals to 1 comma, B is equals to 2 and C equals to 3. So what is if? It will only go to this condition, inside this condition, if A is greater than maximum of B and C. So I can see here A is the smallest, not the greatest, right? So it will not go to this if condition, right? It will go to this else condition. Here it will check, is B is greater than, maximum of A and C? So if I check, A is 1, B is 2. So 2 is greater than 3 or 1? No, it will not follow this condition also. It will not go here. It will go to the next condition where it will follow whatever maximum from A comma B. So here A comma B, which is maximum? 2. So it will print me 2. Can you see how I find it? It's very simple, right? Now next, after that this while loop, it will go back, right? And then it will do the value. Instead of 3, it will go give me 2, right? So here it will again ask the question, okay, enter the value of A, B, C. So here, this time I'm entering 10, 15, and 5, right? So I've entered 10, 15, and 5. Now come to this condition. So the first condition is A value is 10, B value is, sorry, it should be here. A is 10, B is 15, and C is 5. This is what? So first if is, if A is greater than max of B and C. So let me check first. B and C, which one is maximum? 15 is maximum. Is 15 is greater than 10? No, it will not go to this condition. It will go to the S. Again, it will go to this S, where it will check again. It will check that B is greater than, is B is 15, right, is greater than A and C maximum. What is A and C maximum? Here, 10 and 5, the maximum one is 10. So is this true? Yes, the statement is true. So what it will do, it will print me the maximum of A and C. So what is the maximum of A and C? This is 10. So it will print me 10. Can you see? So 10, 15, and 5, it is printing me 10. Yes, I need this answer only, right? And then it will go back again and will go decrease the value of N. Okay, here the value becomes 1. Now, the next condition. It will ask the user to enter the value of A again. That is A equals to 100. B equals to, user has entered 999. C equals to 500. Right? So then it will again check. I am testing that, I'm making sure that whatever code I have written, it is giving me the exact output or not. How you check it? This is the way you check it, right? So here, what I have done is, I again check. A is maximum of B or C. So I will check that, okay, A is not greater than B. So it will not go to this condition. Okay, next. Here it will check, is B is greater than A or C? So I will check. B is 99, right? So it's 999, right? Is greater than maximum of A and C. So A and C maximum is 500. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Right? Then what it will do? It will print me the maximum number of from A and C. So what is the maximum number from A and C? 500. So it is printing me 500, and as how you can check whether your code is working or not. Let's see that, is it working? Is it submitting my answer or not? Right? So this is how the simple way you can check the code that you have written is okay or not. See, let me submit this code and you have submitted your correct answer. Then you need to submit it. It's submitted. So this is how you will solve this problem. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.